What is the most dangerous planet ever discovered? It's called HD 189,733b, and it looks beautiful, but it's deadly. This planet has winds faster than 8,000 kilometers per hour, and it rains glass. Yes, sharp glass falling sideways because of extreme winds. The temperature is over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Nothing could survive there. It may look like a calm blue ocean, but it's one of the most dangerous planets in the universe.
Why does time move slower in space? It sounds impossible, but it's real. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a massive object like a planet or a black hole, time actually slows down. Also, the faster you move, the slower your time becomes. Astronauts in space age slightly slower than people on Earth. It's called time dilation. So in space, time doesn't stop. It just moves differently.
Why do stars twinkle? It looks magical, but it's actually science. When light from stars travels to Earth, it passes through our atmosphere, and the air is always moving. This movement bends the light in different directions, so the star's light keeps changing, and that's why it looks like it's flickering. But here's the truth. Stars don't actually twinkle. It's our atmosphere playing tricks on our eyes. What if Earth suddenly stopped rotating? Everything would be thrown at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Buildings, oceans, even you. Massive winds would tear across the planet, faster than any storm. Entire cities could be destroyed in seconds. Then, one side of Earth would face the sun forever, burning in extreme heat, while the other side would be in endless darkness, freezing cold. Days and nights would disappear, and life as we know it would not survive.
Why are black holes invisible? They don't emit light. Their gravity is extremely strong. Even light cannot escape them. That's why black holes are invisible. How big is the universe? Compared to Earth, the universe has billions of galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. Our entire planet is smaller than a grain of sand. That's how massive the universe is.
How do satellites not fall from the sky? It looks like they're just floating, but they're actually falling. Satellites are pulled by Earth's gravity all the time, but they're also moving forward at very high speed. Because of this, they keep missing the Earth as they fall. So instead of crashing, they stay in orbit. It's like throwing a ball so fast that it keeps falling around the Earth. That's how satellites stay up, by constantly falling, but never hitting the ground.
How long can you survive in space without a suit? Not as long as you think. There is no air in space, so you cannot breathe. Within about 10 seconds, you would lose consciousness. Your body would start to swell slightly because of zero pressure, but you would not explode. After around 1 to 2 minutes, survival becomes impossible. However, if rescued quickly, it is possible to survive. Space is not instantly fatal, but it is extremely dangerous. What is inside a neutron star? It's one of the strangest things in the universe. A neutron star forms when a massive star collapses. Its core becomes incredibly dense, so dense that atoms are crushed together. Protons and electrons merge, forming neutrons. What's left is almost pure neutron matter. A single teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons. Scientists still don't fully know what's inside, but it may contain some of the most extreme matter ever known.
What if Jupiter suddenly disappeared? Nothing would happen at first, because gravity travels at the speed of light, so Earth wouldn't notice for about 40 minutes. But then, everything changes. Jupiter acts like a giant shield. It pulls in comets and asteroids that could hit Earth. Without it, more space rocks could enter our solar system. Over time, the risk of impacts increases. Jupiter might be the reason we're still safe.